Hey now, Mike Shamon here. I just want to go over on kind of how to do a download button or a download link to send. Maybe you're giving a report away or trying to have somebody download a video or something to that extent. So what I have here is I have my a landing page or a page that somebody lands on for a report. And when they click the report, it's supposed to download. So what you want to do is I'm using the Divi Theme and Divi Builder. So what you want to do is you want to go to your settings in your buttons, and you want to go to your link. And this is where you want to put your link to whatever your download. So if you go to your media library, if you go to add new and you drop in your report and you go to your copy link, the URL here, and you copy the full link there, and you go back to your button and you place the link there, it will download your link. Okay, now the target is important. Okay, if you want this to download in the same window, then you want to select same window. If you want a new tab, which I recommend going to new tab there. Okay, so that's how you make a download item. So if you want to say there was a picture that somebody was downloading, then you just put the link of the picture in there. Okay, if you want to download some software, you just put the link of the software in there. Okay, now let's say you didn't want to have a button on the page for whatever reason. You just wanted it to be a text link, okay? What you would do is you would go into your text. If it was download the free report, that was your text, you would highlight that. You click insert or edit link. Okay? You'd put that URL here, that big long URL. Alright, that copy link, you'd put that link right here. Text to display is on there, so I wouldn't touch that. And then title, don't worry about that. Target is this is where you choose if you want the new window or not. Okay, I always go new window when I'm linking to a document or a download. All right, just go okay. As you can see, that has now become a link, and if I go check, it'll download the report now when you click on that text. So if I just go save here, and we can just test it out. All right, so here's the text link. Alright, it goes right to that. It opens in a new tab, goes right to the PDF. Here's the report. Same thing, goes right to the PDF there. Alright, so that's how you make a download button with the Divi theme and how easy it is to make a download button there. So if you need a free layout, this layout I have in one of my packages there. But if you need free layouts, go to diviplanet.com, and we'll see you on the other side.